friends, I am Pranita Sheshni, the student of Bristol Training Center, and today I am here with you to discuss the non technical topic that is the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issue of our time, affecting the ecosystem, wildlife, and the human health. The widespread use of the plastic, which began in the mid 20th of the plastic 20th of the century, has led to an accumulation of the plastic waste in our oceans, landfills, and the natural habits. Now, the sources of the plastic pollution. In that, the first is the single use plastics. Items like bags, straws, and the cutleries are used briefly but perished in the environment for the centuries. Next is the microplastics. These tiny plastic particles originating from the larger plastic waste breakdown or the products like cosmetics and the clothing have infiltrated food chains and the water system. The next is the industrial waste. Manufacturing processes often result in plastic byproducts that can escape into the environment. The next is the improper waste management. Inadequate recycling systems and littering the contribute significantly to plastic pollution, especially in the developing the countries. Now, the environmental impact of the plastic pollution. In that, first is the marine life. Oceanic plastic debris uh, possesses severe threats to marine species. Animal ingest plastic or become entangled, leading to injury or the death. For instance, sea turtles mistake plastic bags for the jellyfish. The next impact that is the ecosystem. Plastic pollution distributes the habits leading to biodiversity loss. Coral reefs, for the instant, are particularly harmful effects of the plastic waste. Next impact that is the food chain. Microplastics have been found in seafood, raising concerns about the health implications for the human who consume these contaminated organisms. The next is the human health concerns. Research indicates that the plastic can leach harmful chemicals, including the endocrine disruptors into food and the water sources. Long term exposure to these substances is linked to various health issues, including the hormonal imbalance, reproductive problems, and even the cancer. Now, the solution and the mitigations. In that, the first is the reducing the usage. Governments and the organizations are implementing bans on the single use of plastics and the promoting alternatives like reusable bags and carry bags. And the next is the recycling improvements. Enhancing recycling technologies and systems can significantly reduce the volume of the plastic waste. Initiatives to improve the public awareness and the participation in recycling the programs like crucial. The next that is the innovative materials. Developing the biodegradable plastics and sustainable alternatives can help reduce dependency on the conventional plastics. Next is the cleanup efforts. Beach cleanups, uh, beach cleanups, river cleanups, and ocean cleanup initiatives, such as those undertaken by organizations like the Ocean Cleanup, aim to remove the existing plastic waste. Next is the legislation. Stronger regulation on plastic production and waste management can drive change at a larger scale. Policies and promoting the extended producer responsibility hold manufacturer accountable for their product's life cycle. At the last, the conclusion that is the addressing the plastic pollution requires a multifaceted approach involving the individuals, business, and the governments. By raising the awareness, supporting the sustainable practices, and implementing the effective policies, we can combat plastic pollution and work with the for essential preservation of our environment and our public health. Thank you friends for listening me today. Thank you again.